From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
Angle of elevation of the top of a ladder PQ from its base Q 12 meters away from a wall is 36 degrees. Find correct to the nearest meter the length of the ladder. Let's sketch it. This is just simple application of trigonometry. So angle of elevation, it means we're talking about this length of the top of a ladder. So if this is where the ladder is rested on, this is the ladder. PQ, so P is here, Q is here, 12 meters away from its wall. This is 12 meters, is 36. You know, angle of elevation is this angle to the horizontal. Angle of depression is this angle to the horizontal. Your eye level is the horizontal. So this is our 36 degrees. Find correct to the nearest meter the length of the ladder. So we're looking for this length. Let's call it L. And so from trigonometric ratio, we know the angle, we know adjacent, we are looking for hypotenuse. What comes to your mind from SOHCAHTOA will be cos, because cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. We are given the angle as 36, our adjacent is 12, and the length is what we are looking for. And so to get the length, divide both sides by cos 36, and that should give us 14.83. Approximately to the nearest meter is 15 meters, and that's C.